my god, it's right there. Right. Middle. Alright, so we gotta shoot that. I feel like we should have went there because she was looking at the thing, but bro, like, I can't believe this. Like, she literally crushed me. This big ass baby. My character won't jump, dude. Look, she's not looking. She's not looking. She's not looking. She don't know I'm here. Boom. Perfect. Watch this. Yeah. Girl, I'm sorry. I don't know what to do about you. You're gonna have to make your own way. Lock in. She is my girl. She's smart. She knows what to do. Oh, I'm about to die. Alright, let's try this again. And every man for themselves. Run. Just run. Damn, whoa, why she looking knocking me down? God damn, she's not fast. Yo, the A button is my biggest enemy. I'm pressing A. How does she know where every single support beam is? What the hell? Please jump. Jump! I missed. Go. Oh, fast she is. She got me. There we go. Okay. Guessing we go behind that. Yep, I called it. I called it. Can you please put me down? She looks like the swing is. Or like, oh, a little aggressive, but thank you. Bro, whose baby is this? Whose baby is this, man? Ask that question 100 times. Wait, why did jumping actually make you run faster? I mean, move faster. No, we're here. Oh, I'm not playing. Do not make a move. I'm armed and loaded. Locked and freaking loaded. Okay, let's what do you think? I don't know. Oh, duh. Whee! All right, let's go take a look. Oh. Hello. Oh. Time to go. God damn. Why did I get, like... Why did she get thrown in? And I just got softly toddled. I'm looking at an island map. We out. There's a pie. Let me eat that. Okay, I guess I'm allergic. Okay, new area, new vibes. Oh, there's a rat tracking the stack. What? Can I help? I can't help. I'm sorry. I tried. You're stuck in there forever. I want to help you, but you probably your fault. You probably shouldn't have fell for the trap. Good luck, buddy. Bon sewing. Oh. Okay. Where are we? Why it? Oh. Eh. Jump. Yay. There's people hanging. It's not good. Wait, are they alive? Oh my god, I think they're alive. Oh, can you like stand on it? Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, hello. Okay. She got like 10 arms. Oh, a lollipop. I like. Oh, is she coming? Oh, open. Go. Open again. Hurry. Why is she just walking? Do you not see she's right there? Is she on roller skates? What do I do? What do I do? Like climb up here, but I don't. I can't pull it. I don't want 6 arms. Oh, almost got caught. There's a little space like right under here. Maybe I can go there. No. Go under here. Perfect. Yes. Girl, can you relax? Like, why are you? Yo, retake your photo, dude. There's a photo missing. TV? Wait. Oh my god, that's us. Yep. So we can get up here. There's a crack on the wall. Just jump up here. Jump up here. And jump over here. Bro, can you like, you see me doing this? Oh. That's electric, so we're just gonna do this. Chase scene in 3, 2, 1. Oh. This is ugly, dude. Oh, right here. Oh, wait, there's a ladder. There's a ladder right here. Wait, I'm not gonna go yet. I'm not gonna go yet. Now? Fuck it, let's go. She can't climb, right? She can't climb. She can't climb. I know she can't climb. She got 6 on, bro. Run. Easy. It's down here. I'm staying up here. Yeah, hoist me up, girl. Run! Oh! Open the door! Open the door! I'm dead. Oh! Okay. Well, that happened. Bro, this guy has no hand-eye coordination whatsoever. Oh, hello? Yeah, stay back. What if I threw this? I'm cooked. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? Why would I do that? Oh, I killed my girl. That. Stay back. Wait, where's my girl? Come on, gotta stay with me. Yeah, stay back. Manaram. Teach me a rum, but manaram. Just got up in here. Ooh, nice. There's a ladder over here, so I just gotta go up the ladder. Let's go. Okay. Hoist me up, girl. Thank you. A lot of bugs everywhere. What is this sludge? Y'all need to clean your vents. Ugh. Wow, okay. You got legs for what? Oh my god, it's the whole factory. Yo, do you see this, man? What are they making? Oh, they're making lollipops. I love the atmosphere in this game, bro. It's so crazy. Look at this. Is this guy dead? He looks dead. Do what you gotta do. That's my girl. Already know what's gonna happen. First thing we do as we jump down there, we gotta go to over there. 3, 2, 1, go. Run. Go. Please get up. Can I get up here, please? Nope. It's over. Oh my gosh. Why are they making so much candy? Who is eating all this candy, dude? The atmosphere is insane, man. Oh, who is eating all this candy? Oh. Fuck no. Look, it's a dead body. They're feasting on his dead body. Ow. I broke my ankle. Lollipop. Ugh. Here, take your lollipop. Did she have not just climbed with me? Like... Ugh. Something tells me these aren't bags of candy. Yeah. Disgusting. Ooh, sausage. Yummy. What's going on in here? So we need 2 battery power cubes. Where are we gonna get those? Can she not break this? Yeah, do your job. You can definitely break this. Thank you. First thing I'm doing is hiding. I'm not playing. Never mind, I can't even hide. Okay, well, we're not going that way. Can you not pull yourself up there? Okay, I was about to say, bro, like, there's no way. Hello? Oh. Are you nice? Oh, she's crouching. She crouching, I'm crouching. Let's go. Hell no. That is disturbing. Ooh. Whatever. That thing is... Oh, there's one right here. We need that. We need that. Thank you. Can you hoist me up? Thank you. Whoa. Okay. I heard a noise. Sorry. Why would I throw it over there? Can I don't know where to go. Yeah, get out the way. I'm walking here. Yeah, get out the way. I'm walk in here. Now walk, yes, sir. Now rump. Get him a Ross plot way. Hey! Oh, girl, you gotta keep up, bro. God damn. Where's the other one at? Okay, so guessing the second one is over back here?
Nope.
I don't know what to do. I'm not sure where. What the hell? Did we come from here?
Nope.
Oh, she's cold. Grow up. I barely have anything on, and I'm not. I wish you died. I wish you died from that fall. Okay. Do I even need to jump? Can I just like... Okay. Guess I got a whole day. Jump! There we go. Where does this take me? Oh! Oh. I'm scared. I'm scared. Who's watching me? I'm being watched. That is terrifying. Let's go. Let's do this. Time to use... Oh, shit. Sorry. Time to use the elevator! Let's go. I need a little hoist. Can you hoist me up, please? Thank you. Finally. Let's see where this takes us. I'm going up, 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 and up, and up. Up, up, and up. That emo, it's good emo in this game. That'd be so tough. Ooh. Where are we? Are we in school? I love school. School's great. Oh, I'm on again. The scenery in this game is insane. Damn, okay, you did not have to do all that, but okay. Ooh, let's turn this. No, we can't. What's down here? I'll go break that shit. Nice. Okay. There we go. Now you can just pass through. Wait, what? Oh. Okay. She just teleported. It's fine. supposed to do it. And I died. Look at this girl. Look at you. Ugly, nasty, peanut head. Oh, look, she's panicking. She doesn't know what happened. Yeah, I happened. Yeah, what you gonna do? You don't know what to do. Look at you. Look at your dumb ass. Look at your dumb ass. You don't know what to do. You don't know what to do. What's over here? What's this? Oh. Okay. I found a doll, I think. Come on. One in the hole. One in the hole. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, shit. Oh. Okay. Hello? Is she good? Oh. 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 That's not fun. Wow, she turned into a spider. She looks better than how she looked before.